mama and your cousin too. Rolling down the strip on gold, coming up.
What up, OG Jason back here for another video. That one. So, I know it's been a long time since we've seen each other's faces. Because the last couple videos you guys have seen have been pre-recorded, so I've been faceless. So you've been having to show my face on this camera in a long time. But I'm back with a video for you guys. So, today's video is going to be about some customs I did. Excuse the trash man. He's doing his job. I've done some customs a couple days ago. Well, actually I just finished them yesterday. Now some Air Force 1's that I bought off StockX, because here in Virginia, I don't know if you guys live in Virginia, but any mall that you go to, you're not gonna find no white flays. So yeah, so I bought me some Air Force off StockX, and I customized them because I had these iron-on patches, these Christian DIOR iron-on patches that I wanted to put on them. So yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys the shoes. I'm not gonna really get into much detail. I am gonna do it on foot for you guys, so you guys can see it on foot. But yeah, so here is the shoe. Here are the shoes. This is the shoe. And if you guys ask me where I got these patches from, they're from Etsy. I will try to link the shop down below once I get into my Etsy account. But yes, these are the DIOR Nike type deal. What's the name? This is how they look. So that's that. And the material I used was, these supposed to be iron-on patches, but they didn't really iron on like they were supposed to, because I didn't want to burn the shoe. So that's that, y'all. That's the shoe. I used crazy glue. Do not get crazy glue on your hands, because when I was finished, my hands were stuck. So these are it. I am going to do it on foot, so don't worry. But these are it, y'all. And I'm very happy because I had these for months at a time. And I've been wanting to do them for months. I just couldn't find the white Air Forces. So this is the shoe. I know I gotta get my thumbnail in. So yeah, this is the shoe. I'm pretty excited about it, about wearing them, because I don't see a lot of people wearing no white no shoe like this, like, you know, whatever. So yeah, this is the shoe. I do have some kind of glue on there, but it's clear, so you really can't see it. But I want to go ahead and get to the try on, get on to the on foot for you guys, so you guys can see this on foot. So yeah, make sure you guys continue to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm also going to shout out you guys again, because I made a post not too recently that we finally hit 1K, y'all. We hit 1K. It is 1,000 of y'all in here right now. So I really appreciate you guys getting me to 1K. It's been a long journey. I am going to do a giveaway. I don't know what I'm giving away, but it's coming, so believe that. But thank you guys for 1K. We are now at 1,007 subscribers, so I'm pretty hyped about that. So make sure you continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next video.